Hello and good day, Doc Earl. We are the Group 3 Flood Control with the game title Baharan. I am Mika Miguelas Villaluz and I have two other members which are Tugdang Andrew Rain M, Pagargan Mario M. And now for the introduction, let me have Mr. Mario Pagargan.
So for our introduction of our game, this is our game assets for our game cans called Baha. We will be running you, the viewers, through the assets that we use in the game. Most of our assets are AI generated and some are CC attribution license, where we will properly credit the author.
So for our first batch of asset, which is the character or the character animation assets. Here we have 4 animation for our character, which is the hurt animation, jumping animation, idle animation, and lastly our running animation. For our jumping and running assets, we implemented multiple frame by frame sketch of a AI generated character so we can have the character move whenever we jump, run, or even idle. For next, relief assets.
And this is the relief assets that we use in our game. So this asset is the one that the character will be collecting throughout the game to be able to proceed with the next stage. Collecting all the reliefs will help stop the flood once you step on the evacuation center. So this asset is also generated by AI. So this is the examples like the diaper, etc. And this is the prompt we use to generate our relief assets in AI ChatGPT.
So for our background and water asset, we use for water texture. This is a free to use as long as that the owner is properly credited. The flood is courtesy to Rapid Punch, and the background was generated by AI. And this is the prompt that we use to generate the background. And for evacuation and helicopter assets, here are the assets we use for evacuation center and rescue helicopter. Evacuation center is where the character to rest and stop the flood after collecting all relief goods. The rescue helicopter will be the end of the stage. And this is the prompt that we use to generate our helicopter asset.
Okay, so that is all for our assets for now. We will be adding more assets for future stages and as well as background music, sound effects, and we possibly will replace some asset that we are currently using and change it so it will be better. And so this is the top 5 scores for our game. And that is all. Thank you everyone, to the audience. Thank you Dr. Earl.